What's up, YouTube? Got a new knife here. Got a lot of them going to be coming in lately or soon. This is the first one that came in. It's actually my first Kizer that I got, and also my first Micarta. I've never owned a Kizer or a knife with Micarta on it, so I'm about to try it out. This is the Kizer Domin Micarta EDC knife. Open it up, give it a check out. Kind of excited to try it out because, like I said, I've never tried one like this. Just basic information in there, I'm sure. Comes with a cloth, obviously a knife, some screws, basic stuff. Alright, let's open it up and check it out. Alright, doesn't look too bad. I kind of like the way it looks. I do like the way it feels. It does feel pretty nice. Let's give it a flip. Oh, that's pretty nice. That opens up pretty smooth. Yeah, that is nice. Not too bad. Let's give it a... Oh man, there we go. Got it. Could give it that reverse flip. Flips pretty well. Opens pretty well. I like it. It's a 154 cm. So that blade, should be pretty well. It's pretty tough and should keep a blade pretty well. I like it. I like that Warncliffe design for the blade. I love Warncliffe for some reason. Between that and like the Tonto blades, I enjoy. I really like them. I think they look really good, and I just like them. Kind of gravitate towards them. The Black Micarta, I do really like the way it looks. It does look really nice. And I actually really like the way it feels. Like, it really just feel like smooth. But I guess not just smooth, but like it just, my hands start sweating, which they probably will. It feels like they stick. Yeah, if you can see, it's kind of already starting to sweat a little bit. But feels like it would just stick really well. It's not going to slip out or anything like that. And also, I really like that jimping. I really like how it comes out there farther on the blade. That is nice, so you can get some real good real estate and everything and get that good handle on there. It feels nice too. Like, I really like the way it feels. I didn't know it came out that far, so that's why I would say that's a bonus. It's got that deep carry pocket clip. Always like them deep carry ones. They're always kind of, I like where it doesn't pop out of my pocket, or I'm always paranoid it's gonna fall out or I'm gonna lose it or something like that. One thing that does bug me is this right here, that little duck bill thing. I don't know, that's splitting hairs, I guess you could say, but I always kind of get it stuck in my pocket trying to get down in there. It's not a big deal, obviously. I just splitting hairs, no big deal. If you like the knife, I like the knife, But it feels pretty good. It's also a liner lock, and it falls shut pretty nice, pretty smooth. Look, there it goes. Yep. It just opens nice too. Look at that, this falls right now. It's pretty nice, I like that. Yeah, it just feels really kind of just nice. It's not over heavy, or I've never been heavy knives or light knives. It really doesn't bother me. I always wear a belt in my pants anyway, so I'm not worried about heavy knives or anything like that. So even on like heavy fixed blades, I always wear a belt, so I ain't gonna worry about it being too heavy or anything. That Azo design. Hopefully I pronounce that right. It's 3 letters, so hopefully. Let's see the screws. Hold on. I think they're 2 different screw sizes. I kind of hate that, but it's no big deal. Yeah, that's the T6. So all these are T6, I'm sure. Yep. And I'm sure. Yep. T8. So we got T6 and T8 screws. Not a big deal. Yeah, it just looks really nice. I really dig this, surprisingly. It was kind of an impulse buy, so I kind of want to try out the Black Micarta, and I'm impressed so far. Like I said, I really like the way that feels. That feels really nice. Looks good, looks great. Opens beautifully. Oh, I guess one thing is with the liner lock, this ain't no big deal. But if you look, like, it's no jimping or texture or anything like that. So that's kind of nitpicking, but like I said, it still works. Look, easy, no big deal. You don't need a lot of texture there, but it's just a bonus always. But for the price tag, you can't beat it. I think it's $59, so it's, I'd say it's a budget blade, and it's a nice one. I'm impressed with it. I'll probably just, yeah, this would be definitely one I carry. But like I said, I got a whole bunch of new knives coming in, and we're doing a lot of first impressions and unboxings and everything. So this was kind of like that first one to break them in, kind of. I like the blade length too. It's 3.4 inches long. The overall length is 7.75, which is, I think, an overall good length. I know my brother, he's kind of likes the long knives, likes them big knives where he can just get his meat claw on there and really get a good handle on it. I have smaller hands too, so for a guy with smaller hands and everything, fingers, whatever, like it just fits really well. The pocket clip doesn't bother me or anything like that, so that's nice. But it's definitely one I'm going to carry. I just love that black though too, the black micarta on that black blade. Like that's nice. That's nice. That 154 cm, it's good stuff. I like the thumb studs. Reverse flip's nice. Thumb flip, perfect. I don't think you can beat it for a budget knife. Oh, I do also like, it's also change the pocket clip over. That's always one thing that kind of I like to see, because my dad's left-handed, so it's always bothersome for him to try to find a knife, like a good knife for him that he can handle and not have to fight with and everything. But yeah, like it's really nice. Even got that it's a lanyard hole. It's small, but I guess you could call that a lanyard hole. But yeah, really nice knife. I like it. Good for the price. Got the worn clip blade, the black micarta. I would say this is definitely one to pick up if you need a good budget blade. And alright, so should have more videos coming out here shortly. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up or subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what you like, or if you want me to review other knife blades, just let me know. Alright, have a good day.